had to pull the fuck over. This motherfucking hell ain't no motherfucking joke. Out here in motherfucking Nebraska out this bitch. Wow, damn. This shit getting real out this motherfucker. They starting to get the size of fucking walls and shit. God damn, this shit crazy. And y'all motherfuckers keep going through though. Fuck. Y'all better pull y'all asses the fuck over. Shit, this shit getting real out this motherfucker, y'all. This hell coming down like a motherfucker, y'all. The fuck? Coming down like motherfucking golf balls out this bitch. This shit crazy. Just look at all them motherfucking golf balls. The fuck, them motherfuckers coming down. The fuck? This shit ain't it, bro. This ain't it.